Hello and welcome back to Speed Free Garage, home of power sports on YouTube, for buying a house in Japan part 6, I don't know, check the video description. But this is the third house. It's at 2DK, so there's no rental room space, but it has 6 acres, and down the block there's what looks like to be a big warehouse, but we're gonna go look around the house first. So I kind of fell behind Brandon. I had to go to the bathroom for like the 5th time today, trying to catch up here. So it's got, ooh, what is this? Oh, there's a little hot tub room. No, is this the bathroom? Is this a bathroom? Hot tub? This is a freaking bathroom. There's no privacy glass. Damn, homeboys, this is like a bathroom, like you get butt-ass naked in the middle of the forest bathroom. Wow.
This whole place is very interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know if you noticed all the trails, like, whenever we were coming.
Yeah, that's for taking all the berries off the trees. So there's cherry trees and blueberry trees. Look at the view, though.
Yeah,
Wow.
There's more to the story as well.
Oh, yeah, okay. Follow me around here. Oh, follow me around here. There's a brand new water heater.
So there's brand new 4-wheelers.
Brand new?
Yeah.
What?
I have no
Is
idea.
is this place abandoned? It looks like it. Why are there brand new 4-wheelers? Those are Chinese 4-wheelers.
There's a Polaris in there.
Oh, the name brand?
Yeah, there's like.
Oh, in
like
here?
a little mini side-by-side thing.
Oh, wow. Let's log at you. It's locked. Yeah, it's locked up. This deck is so cool. That was my favorite part of this whole thing, was this deck. It's like a country house that somebody built, maybe like they come here on the weekends, it looks like. I don't know. Oh, a bunch of glass windows broke out or something. This is nuts. I want to say that cell phone tower income was really low, though.
Probably. Huh.
It's not even on. Yeah.
It's not even up high.
It's not even up high.
Yeah, that's weird.
They got a roof over this.
Yeah, lots of entertaining room. Like this big ass tree that they.
It's just you wouldn't be able to rent any rooms is the problem.
No.
But you could build. The problem is every single tree, you can't touch it without a permit to cut it down, and they probably are going to tell you to get fucked.
Mm.
What is this? Look at this. This is wild. It's like parking. Maybe they park up here. Yeah, look. Look, they got walking trails.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Dude, I have no idea.
The house siding on the house looks like it needs some love. Were they able to get inside?
I don't believe so.
Uh-oh. So this one, the realtor, we're kind of 30 minutes late, so the realtor is not here, and I don't blame him. But we're at least looking around since we came all the way from the U.S. What's up? You able to get inside at all, or?
No.
Ah. I mean, you would have to build more bedrooms or convert the storage or something.
Well, this at one point was.
Oh, yeah, they tore it down. So you could just put a new building up.
There's probably a business that just went out.
Yeah, they have.
Probably let's do off-roading, and then
Yeah, they have several hundred trees here, like cherry, blueberry. So they're probably like
a whole thing.
Yeah, like a whole. Yeah, and there's
getaway.
roped trails behind there.
I think it's
So-
for the ATVs.
Yeah,
I think it's
maybe
just
they were
like
gonna put up
off-roading.
like an ATV rental something.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can. So back down the road, there's a warehouse that I'm pretty sure is connected to this property. I guess we pretty much saw everything we can see for now. Yeah. So yeah, Parker, this one for me was like, you would have to build everything, right? But then the price is pretty high.
For this?
It's 20 million?
For this?
What does it say?
Wow.
Yeah. But it's 6 acres though, so there's a lot of land here. But then this is 25 minutes from Ebisu,
Yeah.
and it's like almost an hour from Fukushima City Center, so that's a long drive to work. So, yeah.
And you got the gravel track.
Yeah, I thought it was a paved service road, but it is not. And then whatever this is,
Interesting.
septic, probably. Well, septic.
Step off. Is that a random massage chair? Yes.
Wait, no way. Hold on. Hold on. Dude, look at this view though. Holy shit. What? Look at that. They got like a garden with a walking path. They got a little shed. Oh, it's a car seat. it's somebody's car seat. Yeah, they got like all these trails built. Look at this shit. And it's freshly cut too. I mean, it's not overgrown. Somebody came out here and cut all
I
this.
think this is where they did the little ATVs. They
Yeah.
would just drive around this thing.
Yeah?
Maybe.
And then there's a trail that's overgrown that goes down the hill.
Very weird.
Yeah. All right, let's see if we can get into that warehouse section. So for this property here, as we're driving away, we pretty much decided that that warehouse that we thought was included is not included. But also, if you look at this road, we're not taking a drift car on this road. So this house was super cool, and it would have been neat to look around.